evening, guys. All right. Energy is quite low. Good evening, guys. All right. So, by the way, I speak Tagalog konti-konti. Is that okay? All right. Just kidding. So, meron ako mag-Tagalog, but Bisaya, no. Wala. Right? So, so basically, you met Mentor Ryan. Right? So, best friend kami no high school. Okay. So, I remember, siguro just a quick sharing about that. So, in high school, we used to, alam mo yung ambitious people, right? Mukhang pera, in short, right? So, you stick together. So, basically, we were people like, we didn't want to be average. Right? Alam mo yung pag-grad, ginalingan mo naman ng school, lagi ka naman nasa top 5, top 10, hindi ka naman yung parang, alam mo yun, bumabagsak talaga. So, but then we wanted in life, ganun din. Right? Hindi naman pwede hanggang school lang, mataas yung grade. Kailangan, in real life, paano mo na ma-measure naman success? Money. Right? Sabi ng iba, money is not important. Well, you can give it to me. Right? If it's not important. Kasi if money is not important, pero why do you spend 10 hours a day making money? And just plan to do that till you're 60. And mag-overtime pa. Minsan weekend pa. You bring your work home. Diba? Pag sabi ni boss. Right? So all these things, ayaw namin mangyari sa amin. So we're like, okay, plan A, ganito. Pag hindi to nag-work na business, siguro we'll do something ganito. Parang marami mga, yan mo, nagpa-plan ka na nung high school pa lang. So college, we tried couple of businesses. Kung ano-ano lang. And then yung Sana came along. So tinawagan ako ni Mentor Ryan one day. Sabi niya, may ganitong business. Mukha bang okay? And wala naman ako alam din about yung Sana. First time hearing about network marketing. Ang alam ko lang sa network marketing, mga pyramid schemes. Kasi marami nung na-college, marami yun eh. Diba? Mga parang recruit, ganyan. Tapos yung mga nauna, yun daw yung kikita. Diba? Tapos magsasara yung company. So, ngayon, honestly, hindi ko alam ano yung Usana. So, akala namin, siguro ganun lang din, bago daw mag-open. And so we were like, sige, di mag-join tayo. Bago daw siya, siguro nasa taas tayo. Hindi ko alam ano yung taas. Diba? Again, naririnig mo lang eh. Alam mo yung mga chismis lang. Or what you hear from other people. So, we're like, okay, sige, let's just join, bahala na. And, pero kaya kami nag-decide talaga to really invest in Usana kasi tinignan ko yung website ng Usana, nakalagay doon, official sponsor of WTA Tour. So, I was a tennis player in college. So, sabi ko, bakit associated ang Usana sa WTA? It's a big deal. And you're not paying athletes. And that's a bigger deal. Right? Because that's how they make money, from sponsorships. Pero Usana is giving sponsorship on a different level. We're giving them guarantee, if may mangyari sa'yo because of Usana products, we'll give you $1 million. Let's give you an idea, pag nanalo ka ng Grand Slam, that's around $1.5 million. If mag-champion ka, isa mo naman nag-champion sa isang tournament na yon. 4 tournaments lang in a year. Pero nga in their whole career, never nanalo nun. So, mahanapan ka lang ng something illegal, may $1 million ka, guaranteed. Right? So, no other company is willing to do that. Sabi ko, it's something crazy. Maganda to. So, my thought was, di ko alam ano to, pero with or without me doing Usana, lalaki to. Right? So, Usana is not a dumb company that just came in ng, sige, feel natin, mukhang lalaki yan sa Philippines. No, they did their study. Right? So, stock-listed company. So, kaya nung sabi rin ng parents ko, like sabi ng parents ni Mentor Ryan, ano ba yan? Di ba, hindi kita pina-nursing para magbenta-benta ng vitamins. Di ba? Sabi rin ng friends ko, ang Jologs ko naman, benta-benta ka ng vitamins. Di ba? Pero sabi ko, mas Jologs ka. Di ba? Kasi yung income mo, 20,000 a month. Tapos wala ka na sa SIM, wala ka na bibigay sa parents mo. Ako 200,000 a month. Sino mas dolog sa atin? Diba? So parang mas kadiri na income. So basically, when we joined, for me, one of the reasons was this. Sabi ko nga, I didn't want to be average. What do I mean? Kaya ako nag-engineering, number 1 passion ko siya. Second, malaki pera. Akala ko lang. We all thought, di ba, when we were in college, parang, I'm gonna be a rich engineer. Right? I'll be 30 years old driving a BMW, enjoying life. But apparently, that's not how things work. Kasi we're not taught about money pag college. We're just taught how to be an engineer. That's it. Bahala ka na. Right? And so, yun, tinuloy ko yung, nag-join kami ng Usana. Gusto ko na mag-quit after like 4 weeks. We were about to quit after 4 weeks. Pumunta kami ng office para magpaalam. Di ba? Ba't ka magpapaalam? Kasi of course, di ba, you have the decency to at least talk to the person who invited you. Hey, thank you for your time and effort. Nagme-message sa'yo. So, di ba pwedeng hindi ka na lang mag-reply? Pumasa naman kami sa GMRC ng grade school. Di ba? Good morals and right conduct, right? So, so bakit ko gusto mag-quit? Kasi meron akong in-invite na friend. And sabi daw, yung may tiwala sa'yo, yung unahin mo sa business. So may tiwala siya sa akin, I'm sure. You know why? Ask me why. Why? Kasi katabi ko siya, last name ko Sogi, last name niya Ramos, so katabi ko siya sa class. So kinokopyahan niya ako. So may tiwala. Right? So sagot ko, pumapasa naman siya eh. So may tiwala siya. So sabi ko, invite ko sa iyo sana, ang nag-present si Mentor Nat. If you don't know who Mentor Nat is, basically, he is a guy who has earned roughly, what, $5-6 million in USANA so far. Who was a room boy attendant, didn't even graduate college. Diba? Hanggang 3rd year lang siya. So, it doesn't matter ano yung background. Kasi it's business. Business doesn't ask background. Right? So, nangyari, si Mentor Nat na magpe-present, after the products, nari dito, nag-products, nag-CR, yung friend ko. Hindi na bumalik. And so I called him up, pauwi na siya. Diba? Sabi ko, malamang bagsak to sa GMRC. Right? But then I felt bad. Right? So this is where you see na hindi ako negosyante. Kasi I felt bad, and just because of feelings, I was about to quit. That's a dumb thing to do. Tama mali? Yes. Feel ko kasi. Hindi, pag Chinese, Indian na kausap mo, parang tinatanong lang, kikita ba tayo? O kita tayo, pag-aralan natin. Kung hindi kikita, walang profit, oh, let's not talk about it. Right? There's profit eh. So you should learn the business. Again, wrong mindset. Came to the office, nagpaalam. Buti na lang, late si Mentor. Merong ongoing na table training. Siyempre, habang naghihintay, naririnig mo. Eh, magaling yung nagtutok. Diba? Na-mindset na naman ako. Ganda ni Yusana. Kasi alam mo, na-remind na naman ako, if I'm not gonna do this in the next 10 years, yung hindi tinuro sa college, ka-compute eh. You can compute how much your income's gonna be in the next 10 years. And I didn't like what it was gonna be. Kasi hindi enough BMW, wala. Diba? The travel around the world, wala. I'm gonna be working, what, 10, 12 hours a day. Diba? Sino gusto yun? Wala. Diba? Who's excited to go to work tomorrow? No one. Right? But you're gonna do it. Right? Who likes your salary? No one. You want more, but then you're not in control. Right? So sabi niya, kung gawin mo to, pag-aralan mo to in the next 5 years man lang. Todo mo to ng 5 years. Sabihin mo na lang 200,000 a month. Diba? You become a gold director. Solid gold director. Okay. Sabi niya, gold director is 250,000 pesos a month. Marami kumikita niyan sa labas. Right? Pero sabi niya, ang taong kumikita ng 250,000 sa labas, sa work, that's not 8 hours a day of work. That's 10, 12, 14 hours of work, that's stress. And hindi mo makuha yan pag 25 years old ka. Hindi mo makuha yan pag 30 years old ka. Diba? You might be like 40, 50 years old. Diba? And yun din, kung swerte ka. Diba? Kung mag-resign yung boss, so talagang mas super galing ka. Marami pang galit sa'yo nun. So it's not because magaling ka, mapopromote ka eh. Tama mali? Right? So sabi ko, okay, it makes sense. Sige, I'll do the business, I'll work. After class, ginagawa ko yung USANA. So on the first year, pinakita naman ni Mentor Ryan yung income. First year, not so much. It was okay, $100, $200, mga ganun lang. But still not bad. Second year, made like 500,000. Right? Okay lang din, pero wala na save. Kasi student, so alam mo yun, meron kang $100, mabilis ang ubusin yun eh. Meron kang $200, 10,000, bili kang shoes, ubus na yun eh. Right? And so, but on the third year, that's when, pag-graduate na ako, pag-graduate pa lang ako nun. So, mag-thesis pa. Then mag-OJT pa, yun na lang yung mga kulang. Pero, nag-gold na. So, I was making 200,000, I was doing OJT. So, kung saan ako nag-OJT, they offered me 22,000 salary. I said no. Diba? Mas kailangan nung kasama ko sa kanya na lang. Diba? Mayabang na eh. Hindi. So, nakatulong ako. Diba? Kinuha ko yung sweldo. Diba? Sa kanya na lang. Right? And so after that, continued the business. A year later, became Ruby director. Emerald Director, Diamond. So in about 5.5 years, became Diamond Director. So imbis sa 5 years gold, pwede palang 5 years Diamond. Right? So, ngayon, bakit ko sinasabi yung income? Sinasabi ko siya kasi it's not just for me. Sinasabi ko siya, that's possible for everyone. Right? It doesn't matter. USANA doesn't ask kung student ka, kung nurse ka, or engineer ka, or lawyer ka. It doesn't matter. Diba? It's a business. Are you willing to learn? Part-time. Diba? It's not about the amount of time. Diba? Consistency lang din. Right? Kaya part-time siya. So give it 3-4 times a week, pero consistently you're doing it. Right? Walang tinatanong na position or background or anything. As long as you're willing to learn. So, ano nangyari dyan sa friend ko? Let's go back. Yung sa, di ba, si Ramos. Okay? So, ano nangyari? Okay. Na-meet ko siya ulit, nag-uusap kami ulit, kasi classmate din namin ni Mentor Ryan. So, nakausap niya. And, sabi niya, ito si Ramos, guest ko. Sabi ko, na-invite ko na yan dati. Sabi niya, talaga, sabi niya, guest ko ulit. Sabi ko, okay. Why not? Di ba, Diamond na kami nun. So, this time, he was stressed in his life. He was making about 30,000-40,000. He was like, we were 28 noon, 27, 28. And then, sabi ni Mentor Ryan, pati ka mag-USANA. Yun yung dating in-offer sa'yo ni Raj. Sabi niya, sige. So this time, iba game na siya. Nag-join ng USANA. Tapos, in-NDO, yung basic training. Right? Kasi yung friend naman niya, nag-1 million a month na eh. So dapat, di ba, sige, paturo, paano ba yan? Di ba ganun tayo pag mga friend, paano ba yan? Di ba maganda yung negosyo mo, pwede ba ako dyan? Right? Kahit construction business yan, pwede ba akong turuan mo ko niyan? Di ba? Meron siyang franchise, pwede bang ako din? Meron ako niyan. Kung close mo yung friend mo, right? So tinuruan namin, first week pumunta, second week busy sa work. Third week busy sa work. Fourth week quit na. Right? So imagine, kung nakinig sana ako sa kanya, nagpa-influence ako sa kanya, diba, 6-7 years prior, ibig sabihin, nakinig ako sa taong wala man lang talagang pangarap. Tamad lang talaga. Kaya nga nang-o-open siya. Hindi, joke lang. Right? So talagang dinown ko na, no, si Mr. Ramos. Right? So, basically, this business is for anyone who has a big dream. Anyone who wants to retire young and rich. Diba? Anyone who wants to enjoy life rather than working so hard for the rest of your life. Work for the next 3, 4, 5 years. Learn the business. And you have more time to enjoy your life. Talagang gawin mo yung gusto mo. Hindi lang talagang magtrabaho. And along the way, you make friends. You meet friends, like-minded people. Right? And you change lives of people. Right? So, ngayon na nakita nyo yung USANA, you're part of it. Alam ko, there are gonna be challenges. We went through it. Wala namang madali. Right? Madali, di ba? Siguro, kung gusto mo lang kumita ng 20K, pwede. Madali lang siguro siya. Pero gusto mo kumita ng 1 million passive income, hindi siya madali. Right? I'm not gonna say it's gonna be easy. But what I'm telling you is, number one, it's possible. Right? And second, it's worth it. Right? So guys, basically yun lang, no, I want to share for now. Right? I want to pass it on because we have a lot more Diamond Directors for you to hear. So thank you very much, guys.
Thank you so much.